Cut the old contact from the wire. Remove the insulation from the wire to a length that will allow the wire to be visible through the inspection hole in the side of the contact, and leave no more than 1.5 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch of bare wire extending from the barrel of the contact. Align the selector knob on the side of the crimping tool to the wire size to be crimped. Insert the contact into the crimping tool and turn the adjusting screw until the end of the contact barrel is flush with the surface of the tool. Insert the wire into the barrel of the contact. Crimp the wire in the contact by squeezing the handles of the tool together until the handle hits the stop.